In this video, I'm going to show you how to define special markers in the river sections of your Wundy river networks. These are often used to provide information, and they can also be used in conjunction with other tools, for example, to edit the riverbed elevation. So I've got my river network loaded, and initially I'm going to open the river section that I want to add special markers to. We'll decide where the special marker is going to be located. So we could either click a row here, or a helpful trick is to plot the section itself, and then we can click the location where we want the special marker to be, and then simply minimize out of that plot, and we can see that row has been automatically highlighted for us. The field for special markers is over on the far right here, so we'll click this icon with 3 dots, and a new window appears. Here we can see all the options for the special markers, and we'll just check the box of the special marker that we want to add to this location, or we can check the boxes of multiple special markers to add if we wanted to. Now we'll click OK, and we can see that a number has been automatically added in that special marker field. So now if we want to add another special marker, I can simply go back into my plots, click on the next location where I want to add a special marker. Again, either minimize this or close it all together, and that row has been highlighted for me. I'll click on the 3 dots. I'll click on the special marker I want to add. OK, and then it has been added. Now, if I click OK to get out of that river section, I need to save the river network itself so that I can view this again. I'll go back into my river section, click on plots, and now here if I go into the quick edit up in the top left here, and I click on special markers, this box down here, so that they're shown, we can now see they are showing on my plots here, the left and right special markers that we've added. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on defining special markers in river sections. For further information, please visit www.floodmodeler.com.